The first step is to start power. Yeah, this is starting the power, and then starting the filling power. Yes, and then fill in the powder. 现在放粉啊？设定吧，先要设定，我要设定啊。Press selection. This is showing the 这是什么 ？This is showing the filling speed the filling speed， 是不是那个
重数？
算数是吧？
对，这是加。
You can increase or decrease the filling speed by the up or low up or down button. And press the set again. This is for the filling circle. How many circles for one time filling?
小重量的。
Also can be increased or decreased. Press set again. This is the time between each two filling.
这个是自动的。
Setting the time between the each two filling.
0.2秒，还是自动来一下，不让你管这个。我把它设为0。
If you change it to be 0, then you step one time and fill one time. 就是踩一次发做一次吧。
这个叫踩一次下一次料。
你再设一下，再设一下。
给我加高一点。
Increase。
涨了。有一个了，把重量加大一点。
Also increase the quantity, the filling speed and the quantity.
按一下，按一下。OK。
另外那个自动的那个。For auto filling, set the time between each two filling to be 2 seconds. To automatic filling.